Hello class, I'm Steve Decker, COM 2200. Today our video is about reading the text after you've watched the videos that I've assigned to you. There are three things really to remember. There'll be material where I've covered it all, material that I've only covered a portion of, and then in the textbook there may be material that I've not covered at all. So if I've covered all of the material, then all you need to do is look at it, you recognize it, you understand I've got this down, you go to the sidebars and check the key terms and make sure you understand those. A good suggestion would be to look at the smaller font within the text. Those are examples. Read those examples. Class, those examples will really help you understand the concepts that we're trying to teach in speech. So please do that. In the text, as you are recognizing that I've covered much of the material, you'll see main headings in black. Under the main headings will be subheadings. They're in a red or an orangish red color. And then under those will be subheadings. And then, of course, you look in the text for the examples, and as I mentioned before, they're in a different font. Please read those examples. Well, you can go over that very quickly if you say, well, Mr. Decker covered this pretty thoroughly. I think I've got it. But then as you're looking through the text, you see that I've only covered part of some of what is in the text. At that point, it is your responsibility to look carefully at the text, to read the sidebars, to read the examples, to read the textbook itself, and make sure you understand the parts that I did not cover in that particular section. Then you might discover in the textbook parts that I did not cover at all. Well, obviously, you will be responsible for that on exams or quizzes, especially if the quiz or exam is on the Connect Lucas website. And you will have to read that carefully, read the examples, and understand the key terms. Now, when you look at the text, you'll notice that the sidebars will be over here. They'll be in green. There'll be a title here and then small print, most of the time explaining key terms that you must understand. The text, of course, is here. And then I want you to notice that at the bottom of a page, occasionally in a chapter, maybe occurring once, sometimes occurring twice, you'll see a little bluish box, and in that box you'll see the title, Using Public Speaking in Your Career. I want you to read those very carefully. This will help motivate you to do an excellent job on your speaking, because it will show you how using public speaking and learning to organize your thoughts and persuade others to comply with your request will really help you in your career. So do these things and you will really learn this material.